Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à toutes et à tous.
In this video we are going to learn partitive articles in French, which is some in English. Partitive articles are used to express an unknown quantity of something that cannot be counted. It is often used for food and drink. In French, the partitive articles change depending on the gender and number of the nouns that follows. Let's have a look.
Du,
It is used before a masculine noun.
de la,
It is used before a feminine noun.
de elle,
Before vowel or h we use l'apostrophe. And before a plural noun we use
des,
Now let's see some examples. He eats some cheese. In French we would say,
il mange du fromage.
we used
Du,
because there is a masculine noun. I bought some jam. In French I would say,
j'ai acheté de la confiture.
she drinks water. In French I would say,
Elle boit de l'eau.
we use de l because the noun is starting with vowel, and whether it is masculine or feminine, if there is vowel or h we would use l'apostrophe.
They eat fruit.
French I would say,
Il mange des fruits.
we use de because in French fruit is plural noun. In negative sentences, partitive articles
Du, de la, de elle, des.
becomes de and d apostrophe. Let's see some examples. She eats some butter.
Elle mange du beurre.
If we want to say, she does not eat butter, we would say,
Elle ne mange pas de beurre.
he drinks some water.
Il boit de l'eau.
If we want to say, he does not drink water, we would say,
Il ne boit pas d'eau.
I eat noodles.
Je mange des nouilles.
if I want to say, I don't eat noodles, so I would say,
Je ne mange pas de nouilles.
they bought some flour.
Ils ont acheté de la farine.
If we want to say, they have not bought flour or they didn't buy flour, we would say,
Ils n'ont pas acheté de farine.
the partitive articles
Du, de la, de elle, des.
also becomes de and d apostrophe with the adverbs of quantity. Let's see some example. She drinks a lot of tea. In French we would say,
Elle boit beaucoup de thé.
you have enough money. We would say,
Vous avez assez d'argent. Assez.
is an adverb of quantity. She eats little butter or she does not eat much butter.
Elle mange peu de beurre.
I eat too much jam. I would say,
Je mange trop de confiture.
he has less money.
Il a moins d'argent.
We also use de and d apostrophe after a quantity such as 200 grams, 400 grams, and so on. Example: I bought 1 kilogram of rice.
J'ai acheté 1 kilogramme de riz.
She bought 2 packets of noodles. So in French we would say,
Elle a acheté 2 paquets de nouilles.
Hope you have understood how to use partitive articles in negative sentences, in positive sentences, with adverbs of quantity, with quantity, and so on. You just have to keep in mind that in negations, after adverbs of quantity and after quantity we use de or d apostrophe instead of
Du, de la, de elle et des. On espère que ça vous a plu. Mettez un petit like à cette vidéo, partagez et abonnez-vous à la chaîne. À bientôt et au revoir.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.